today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lemon8 app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down here until you found apps, just click on it. So then here you're looking for Lemon8 app, or just click on search and you add it here. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage here, just click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, you search for the Lemon8 app, then you click on update, then it's going to work with you. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,